Moulds or filamentous fungi form true mycelium, reproduced by the formation of different types of spores. Next, we are going to see what is a hyphae. In most multicellular fungi, elongation of the cell produces a tubular thread-like structure called hypha. Next, we are going to see what is a mycelium. A tangled mass of hyphae constitutes the mycelium. Fungi which form mycelia are called moulds or filamentous fungi. Hyphae may be septate or non-septate. The septa when present have holes through which free flow of cytoplasmic materials can take place. In a growing colony of filamentous fungus, the mycelium can be divided into the vegetative mycelium, which grows into the medium, and the aerial mycelium, which projects from the surface. Mycelium absorb nutrients from the environment. Molds can grow on dead organic matter in nature, but their presence is visible to the unaided eye only when they form large colonies. Food spoilage is often caused by molds. Moldy food has an undesirable taste and texture and may have spots. We should note one important point here, that is, excess moisture is the cause of indoor mold growth. Next, we are going to see the importance of molds. Molds play important roles in biotechnology and food science, especially in the production of various pigments, food, beverages, antibiotics, enzymes, etc. Molds cause biodegradation of natural materials. Some diseases of animals and humans are caused by some molds. Some molds also produce mycotoxins that can pose serious health risks to humans and animals. Let's see some examples of filamentous fungi. Aspergillus, Alternaria, Fusarium, Mucor, Penicillium, Rhizobus, etc. Dermatophytes are example of pathogenic molds. Next one is